Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about solenoid and electromagnet, and this will also show the magnetic effect of electric current. So what is solenoid? So solenoid is basically a cylindrical coil of wire. When current flows through that coil of wire, the solenoid will behave like a bar magnet. Okay, so what is this coil of wire? How wire is coiled or rotated and solenoid can be formed? For the better understanding, look at this spiral binding. So the wire of solenoid is just like this spiral. The wire is rotated in the form of this spiral only. So this is how the wire is rotated and solenoid can be formed. Okay, so it is a cylindrical coil of wire. When current will flow through it, then that solenoid will behave like a bar magnet. So why there is need of this rotation of wire, this coiling of wire, cylindrical coil of wire, why it is formed? It is formed to increase the number of turns so that the maximum electricity can pass through it, and it will increase finally the strength of this solenoid. So its strength can be increased by increasing the number of turns. The number of turns, if will increase, then the effect of solenoid will be increased. So that is why if the wire will be simple in a straight line, then in that case maybe that wire will not show much magnetic effect. But if we make coil of wire, then that wire will show more magnetic effect. Okay, so that is why this arrangement of wire is called solenoid, and its strength can be increased by increasing the number of turns. The number of turns if will increase, then its effect will increase, and winding the increasing current as well. Increasing current means if we will put more cell, more powerful battery, then the current will increase. In that case, the effect of solenoid can be also increased. And winding the solenoid around a magnetic material. If we wind the solenoid in a magnetic material like this is called core. This piece of iron is called core. This is magnetic material, a piece of iron. On the piece of iron, if we will circle the wire, coil the wire around this iron piece magnetic material, then the effect of solenoid will be increased. Okay, so in this way a solenoid can work. Look at this arrangement. Basically this is switch on position. In switch on position, that means switch off position, that means circuit is open. Circuit is open when switch is off. Okay, switch off, circuit open, then compass needle will not show any deflection. But as soon as we will switch on, that means when we complete the circuit, now this circuit is completed, the circuit is closed, so switch is on. Okay, during that case the compass needle will show deflection, and this deflection can be seen in this way as we discussed in the previous episode. The compass needle will show deflection, and that deflection it will show in this way. Okay, now it is no more on the position of north and south, as normally compass needle stays, it shows north and south only, but now it will show deflection because of the supply of current through solenoid, and solenoid is a it will behave like a bar magnet. Okay, so the strength of solenoid can be increased by these ways. How? By increasing the number of circles, turns of the wire, by winding the solenoid around a magnetic material, iron piece, iron bar. Okay, and by increasing the current, that means strength of the current, magnitude of current, strength of the current, efficiency of the current. Okay, if we will increase the number of cells, then the more powerful current will supply through it. In that case the solenoid will behave more like a powerful magnet. Now let us see what is electromagnet. Well, electromagnet is also a kind of solenoid. Only difference is solenoid is if we wind a wire, then it is solenoid, and connected through a circuit, then it is solenoid. But if we put some magnetic material and around that we will coil the wire, then that is an electromagnet. So electromagnet is a coil of insulated wire. It is a coil of insulated wire, okay, like this. Coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of magnetic substance, iron bar or nail. So what is magnetic substance here? This iron bar or nail is magnetic substance, and then what we are doing here, this coiling of wire around the magnetic substance. So due to this coiling of wire around a magnetic substance, electromagnet can be formed. So this is what? This is an electromagnet. By coiling a wire around a magnetic substance, electromagnet can be made, and after this, if current will flow through this electromagnet, then it will behave like a magnet and it can attract the magnetic material. Here are small pieces of small iron pieces, and those are attracted by this electromagnet. How? Because we have coiled wire around iron nail, and due to coiling of iron nail around due to coiling of wire around the iron nail, this arrangement, this iron nail will behave like a magnet. That is an electromagnet. So this is what? This is only the difference between solenoid and electromagnet. So this can be also solenoid, but without magnetic material it can't be electromagnet. Without magnetic material it can be only solenoid, but if we'll put some magnetic material, then it is an electromagnet. There are so many uses of electromagnet. What are the uses of electromagnet? Now let us discuss about the uses of electromagnet. There are so many uses of electromagnet. These are used in generators, motors, transformers, and even in headphone and different kind of devices. These are used, okay, even in loudspeaker. The most common example of electromagnet is electric bell. It is used in electric bell, the bell that is used in our school, that is based on, that works by electromagnet only. Basically electromagnet is installed in that bell, okay. So this is how different kind of equipments, devices works. Now the question arises here, why there is electromagnet? We can't use it, we can't put some original magnet on those devices? The answer is no. Why? Because electromagnet is a temporary magnet. It behaves like a magnet when electricity is supplied to that, then only it will behave like a magnet. But original magnet will behave always, it is magnet, so it will behave always like a magnet. It can attract magnetic thing anytime, okay. But electromagnet can attract the magnetic things when electricity is supplied to that. So it depends upon the electricity. It is our choice whether we want to use it or not. If we want, then we will supply electricity. If we don't, then we will disconnect the electric circuit, electric supply. So this is how an electromagnet works, and most common example is electric bell, that we'll discuss in next video. Till that, you look at the screen.